The system will be funded through a recently approved low-cost loan of US $8 million, 1.6 billion Guyana dollars from the Abu Dhabi Fund for Development and the International Renewable Energy Agency. Guyana has been named as one of the countries selected. The other countries named are Liberia and Togo. The funding will ensure the provision of energy access and advance sustainable development for selected hinterland communities. This country's Minister of Public Infrastructure, David Patterson, whose ministry the project falls under, attended the sixth cycle of the IRENA ADFD project facility in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates, over the weekend. The installation of the 5.2 megawatt grid-connected solar PV system will in turn reduce fossil fuel consumption and increase the reliability of electricity supply. An estimated 34,700 people in the targeted areas will benefit, and around 120 direct and indirect jobs are set to be created throughout the project lifestyle. The projects selected this year will contribute towards meeting national energy access targets and will transform lives for the better, says IRENA Director General Aidan Z. Amin. Since the first cycle selection of projects in 2014, ADFD funding has been allocated to 24 renewable energy projects across the world, covering up to 50% of the total project cost. Funding is available for sustainable development projects that are backed by a government guarantee. Reporting for InfoHub, Felicia Valenzuela.